Hey guys, I'm back at Dollar Tree. I apologize for the lighting, but I still have, you can kind of see it. Oh no, maybe not. My reflective windshield protector thing. It's hot. Today, well, it's 105 now. It's supposed to get up to 112 again. Oh, sorry. Sorry guys, itchy nose. So I found a few things. I didn't get a whole lot, but they have these up at the checkout counter. This reversible sequin bins. So I got two of these. It's black with the iridescent sequins that you can move back and forth. Oh, and then I got another one of these over the door hangers. I want to hang up some of my stuff in my craft room on the closet door, so that's why I got that. They have some new bandanas, and these are really cool. These are all the different ways that you can wear them. This has mermaids. I like to wear these under my big hat in the pool. The mermaids. I got one for my daughter Liz and one for me, and then I got the flamingo. So these were new to me. I hadn't seen them before. Really nice. And then I saw this. I don't know if it's new or if I just hadn't noticed it before, but it is a bar soap pouch. So you put your bar soap in here where that foam is, and tighten it. And it says, the claim is, just slip your soaps in and close the top by pulling on the cord. The mesh creates more lather and less waste. A convenient cord lets you hang it up when you're done. So if you are like me and you gather little slivers of soap, or even if you just put a new bar in, I think that's a good idea. So I got that for my bathroom, and I got this for my mermaid projects I've been working on. I'm not sure what else I'm going to do, but that is such a beautiful sequin ribbon, and it's 1/4 inch wide, and it's 9 feet. So it must be that each line of sequins is separate. That's how I interpret it. And then I decided to get another candle. This is one of the soy candles. This is the Brazilian Sunset. It smells really good. It doesn't have much of a scent throw, but it's a little bit, and it's just so pretty. I love those colors, the orange and the pink, or pinky purple. I got one more of the bath bombs. I got another of the unicorn. I don't take baths, but these are really nice for a foot bath, which I do. I wash my feet at night quite a bit because I'm a barefoot kind of girl, and so my feet are dirty. And I don't think I got these, but I'm going to try these out in my Dollar Tree pen and marker video comparison with the Super Tips from Crayola and some of the other markers. But they're washable, so they're water-based, and I really like the pink color. That's what sold me on it, was that pink color. And I wish that they had a blue like that one, but I don't see one in the pack. Nope, these are the colors here. So there isn't that beautiful blue in the pack like they show on the package. And then here's the other mermaid bandana. These are so pretty. I love these colors. I got two more of my coffee syrup. This Dollar Tree has not had these for a long time, and there weren't too many left, so I don't know if they just get them hit or miss or not, but yeah. If you saw my most recent video on coloring book and some crafty stuff, I bought some Mod Podge at Walmart that had glitter in it. So they have the glossy and they have the matte. And I don't have any of the matte at home, so I wanted to see what I thought of that. But I thought I'm gonna make my own Mod Podge with glitter. I'm gonna give it a try and see how it works out. Really nice way you can do all different colors. So I think I'm gonna put my light pink, it's like a cotton candy pink. I think I'm gonna put that in here and see how it goes. Do a little experiment for $1. And I was watching Lisa M, one of her follow-up on her wig videos, follow-up on a wig, or her wigs video. Anyway, she said that washing your wigs in Dawn makes all the difference in the world. And you know, these are synthetic fibers, so it's not like it's gonna harm them. I mean, synthetic fiber is synthetic. It's like your clothes. And I use Dawn. If I get a grease spot on my shirt, I use Dawn. And then I thought I would try the Suavitel fabric conditioner if any of my wigs feel a little dry. I don't know that this really does anything to wig fibers, but I guess if the fibers are kind of like your clothes, then maybe it will. And I decided on the Morning Sun they had a couple of other, they had a lavender and a floral one. This one smelled really nice. Just very light and clean smelling. So anyway, but if you do wash your wigs and use fabric softener, I recommend that you do not store them in plastic bags, because then they can really get a funky smell. Anyway, so that was my little Dollar Tree haul, and yeah, not a whole lot to show. So right now it says 1:05. It's noon on Thursday. Car says that, and I can't check my phone because I'm recording on my phone. But it's been hot, and I'm ready for it to cool off. Yeah. All right, you guys. You have a wonderful day and have a wonderful weekend. I hope your weather is great and you can get out and enjoy it, and enjoy the last month of summer. Okay guys, talk to you soon. Bye.